Good day. The topic is about lattice energy. Lattice energy can be thought of as the energy needed to break an ionic compound into its component ions. So, the harder it is to separate the ions, the greater the lattice energy. The extent of lattice energy, so we say lattice energy here is Le,